Since I've been working on cleaning the machine up, I took the cover off of the power head here so I can show you what is inside. And since it's got a DC motor here, it does not have any complicated pulley system. It's just some pulleys on the top there, so you can vary the size of the pulleys, changing the belt. And the electronic control board is in there. And that motor that you see there, that's the 120 volt DC motor. Okay, so that's the motor. And down here on the carriage part, you can see the gearing or the gears that make the carriage go from one side to the other with the handle and the set of gears there. Now what I realized is that looking at this coupler here, that's what is used to engage the automatic feed. If you have a motor that goes mounted right there by that sprocket, and to engage it, just looking at the menu, I didn't know how, but you're supposed to push the handle here all the way to the inside. Needs a little bit of cleaning, I guess. So now, as you can see that the coupler is engaged, and now if you drive with this sprocket and electric motor, then you can move the carriage with a variable speed switch that is supposed to be here, and then you can change the direction from forward or reverse here on another button that it's got. What I did is I went to Amazon and I found some motors, gear motors, that come with the electronic control, and I could probably adapt it to be able to move that carriage. If you use it for slight metal turning, then you can actually move the carriage, side to side, like then the x-axis. So thinking about this, and now that I'm working on the machine, I'm thinking if I'm gonna really sell it or I should keep it for myself. It's a pretty nice machine, especially in looking at it like standing up like that. What do you think? Do you think I should, try to get that uh, automatic feed carriage to work, or should I just sell it like it is? Okay, I'll set up the light so we can see a little bit better here what I was showing you. So I got the menu here for the Smithy company Super Shop, and I was looking at the carriage here that is got a forward and reverse switch, and on this part it's got the variable speed dial, and it says here push to engage the automatic feed. So this is actually what engages it, and it's pretty tough to move, so I need to probably take it apart and clean it, lubricate it, because it's a little bit hard to engage like there. Let's see. Can you tell that is moving there, rotating? So if I push on this, I have to like line it up. I push on it, and then now it's engaged, right? So what I was saying is that it's supposed to have a little chain here with the gear motor and the sprocket, and connected with the chain, and it's got some bolting points here. So it would be easy if I find the right motor. So looking at this pamphlet or brochure, I can see that there's a metal working kit that they used to sell. metalworking kit, lathe, tool post, 3-joint shock with back plate, heavy duty milling table, some bits, and end mills. This is how this machine looks in the inside. So I took the covers. This cover goes here like that, and this cover is for the motor here. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. This is going to be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.